doing? Costco.
I need more content, Liam. Let's go to clothing. What's up for you?
My grain coat is all ripped up. It's like ripped everywhere. That's what I get for buying cheap coats.
So you bought another cheap coat? Mom wants pizza?
Don't we have to go up there?
No, you order here.
No, Dad. Look, up there, there's like combos, kind of like a hot dog.
This is it. You can only order here.
Oh, the pizza doesn't come with a soda.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of drink she wants.
I just get. Does she want a soda or does she want like?
She usually wants this. And then you want the combo, right?
Yeah.
Hot dog and a drink.
And then what do you want?
Hot dog and a drink. Here, you hold this. You film this part.
Why?
For order.
I'm trying. I don't want to show you a credit card.
Costco. Is it too close?
Well, they can't really see it.
You can film me. Okay, from this part. Okay, 537.
Alright, so we should do it next.
You're gonna wait now?
You wait too.
537. Oh, I didn't get churros for you.
We can order it later.
We order, I'm waiting.
Dad watched some. This place is just a little bit different. 15 cents. Mustard, Dad, you got mustard? I don't
Did
like
you?
mustard. No, you did?
You don't like mustard? No.
Dad.
So what are you gonna order, Liam?
A churro?
Churros? Okay, let's see it.
I don't know which way you slide the card in. This way?
Yeah. Churros. Order. Wow, Liam, you're good.
For $549.
What number do you got? 549. Let's see if we can do it.
549.
Ooh, that was fast. Oh, Liam, that was fast. Okay, what do you got? Churros?
How am I supposed to hold it?
I'll show you.
That's $75?
No.
구독과 좋아요 감사합니다.